Do you want to know how to make a floating bars chart on GraphPad Prism? You came to the right place. Welcome back to Bioinfo Tips. Today, I'll show you how to create a floating bars graph in GraphPad Prism. This type of graph is perfect for visualizing ranges, variability, or changes in data, such as pre- and post-treatment values or confidence intervals. Let's get started. First, open GraphPad Prism and start a new project. Select New Data Table and Graph, and then choose Columns for your data table type. For a floating bars graph, we need columns with lower limit and one for the upper limit of the bar. Once your data is entered, go to the Graph section. Select Floating Bars under the XY graphs. GraphPad will generate a plot with bars that float between the lower and upper limits for each group. Now let's customize the graph to make it visually appealing. Go to Format Graph and change the bar colors. You can assign unique colors to each bar to differentiate between the groups or use a consistent color scheme for uniformity. If needed, you can overlay additional information like error bars or annotations by selecting Format Graph and using the Add Text or Add Error Bars options. Lastly, label your axes under the Format Axes menu. For this example, label the x-axis as groups and the y-axis as blood pressure, MEG. Adjust the tick marks for better readability if needed. Once your graph is ready, export it by going to File Export. Save it as a PNG for slides or a PDF for publications. And that's how you create a floating bars graph in GraphPad Prism. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science software tips here on Bioinfo Tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.